Alright everyone, today I'm going to be showing you 5 apps that can pay you money directly to your PayPal account for doing absolutely nothing or close to nothing. These apps are really easy to use, and basically they just sit on your phone, on your mobile device, and yeah, you can just generate an income just for, yeah, doing everyday things or just for using your phone. So just a little disclaimer here: the money that you can earn from these apps is not a huge amount. It's not an amount that can provide you with a full-time income. But if you're looking to supplement your income, this is a great way to do it. And like I said, it doesn't require much work at all. And they're all great apps, and I highly recommend using them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first one here is SlideJoy. Now I really like this one. This one's one of my favorites. So what it is it's an app that installs onto your phone, and it takes over your lock screen, but in a good way. So it basically, once it's installed, the app uses your home screen to place advertisements, um, and basically companies pay SlideJoy to advertise, and you get a little bit of a cut of that just to display it on your lock screen or on your home screen. Now, obviously, it does take away from whatever picture you've got on your phone. So if you've got a picture of a loved one or of a pet, you will have to sacrifice looking at those on your home or lock screen. Sorry, on your home screen. But if you do want to earn a little bit of money on the side, this is a great way to do it if you can sacrifice looking at those pictures. I think it's a really intuitive app and really a good way to make money. As you can see here, it's kind of what it looks like. What they do is they do try to make it look stylish, so you're not always looking at just a crappy ad. They do, the advertisers that sign up with these companies, they try to use nice images just to make it look quite nice, rather than sometimes like a real blatant ad. So, and if you like something that you see, you can click on it and purchase whatever they're advertising. So, yeah, it's a great way to earn some money there, or yeah, see products that you might want to buy. You can see it's being featured on lots of platforms there, and yeah, with the money you get, you can cash it out, and they can pay direct to your PayPal account. Or if you like, if you want to donate it to one of your favorite charities, you can do that as well. So that's another great way to kind of give back with, just by sacrificing the use of your, or sorry, sacrificing your choice of what to show on your home screen or lock screen there. So yeah, SlideJoy is the first one, and it's definitely one of my favorites, so I highly recommend it. The next one here is Lifecoin. So Lifecoin, as it says here, get paid to walk. So basically, you get paid to take steps. It monitors your GPS, and yeah, you get rewarded just for going out to walk. As you can see here, you can exchange it for lots of different things. Oh, sorry. So you can, get PayPal gift cards, or you can, you can make yourself look fancy with the Apple AirPods, or even Amazon gift card, or just upgrade to a new iPhone. You might need a few points to get like a drone, but hey, it can be achieved. So it's another easy way to kind of just earn some points, just for walking, doing something you do every day anyway. As you can see here, uh, yeah, it uses GPS to confirm your steps, and that gets converted into coins. Another great thing about Lifecoin is they have ambassadors. So basically, it's almost like you become a little bit of an influencer for them. By promoting Lifecoin, you can be rewarded uh, again or even more just for promoting Lifecoin or putting the word out there. So yeah, another great app to use that you know, can earn you a few rewards that can then be turned into cash or other gift vouchers there. Okay, so the third one here is Smart Panel. Now, Smart Panel is is an app here that basically allows you. Sorry, what it does is it sits on your phone and it collects data about how you're using your phone. Now, before you freak out and worry about it, it's all safe to use and all your information is safe. Here you can see you sign up by just answering a quick survey. You install it and yeah, you just use your phone and it collects data on that. So as you can see here, they've got more on their privacy policy, which I would recommend reading before getting into this. But yeah, it runs in the background while you're using your phone, and it's basically just data research. So collects all that information and just gets to know how people use their phones. As you can see here, we do not share any personal or protected information such as credit card information or passwords with third parties. It's all very safe. I've been using this app myself, and yeah, there's nothing to worry about in terms of your data being shared. It's all for research, and yeah, as you can see here, you get $5 just for qualifying to use the app, and then for every 30 days you use it, you can earn another $5, and they reward you for loyalty as well. If you have a look here, as time goes on and the months build up, you get rewarded more and more. So, you know, this one can end up being quite profitable for you. Yeah, it's just, you know, willing to have the app on your phone and collecting that data. If you are concerned at all, I would recommend reading the frequently asked questions, and it does dispel any sort of concerns you may have. And if you're really worried, you can get in touch with them. You know, there's help here, or you can yeah, you can just get in touch with them there, and they get into that information quite a bit here. So they understand that people might not be or might not feel that comfortable with data on their phone being collected, but it's more about usage, data on the usage on how the phone is being used. So, yeah, another great solution there on how to create a little bit more income just for using your phone. The fourth one here is called Sweatcoin, and this is another one another app similar to Lifecoin that rewards you for you know, taking walks or exercising. So as you can see here, 1,000 steps equals 0.95 coins. So it tracks using your GPS again. This is another one that, you know, might take a while to build up. As you can see here, just under 7,000 coins can get you an errand. 20,000 coins can get you $1,000 PayPal cash or an iPhone 8, and 15,000 coins can get you a Borneo expedition. So, you know, for 1,000 steps, get you 0.95 coins. But, you know, you can have the app installed on your phone, just working away in the background, and you can just accumulate points literally just for walking around. So you don't even have to think about it, and you're being rewarded. So it's another you know, another way to make money just for having your phone in your pocket or on your in your handbag. And as you can see here, they've had plenty of publicity here. So yeah, another great app to use, similar to Lifecoin. But hey, if you run both simultaneously, you can get them both tracking your steps and be rewarded for using both apps, really. And the last one here, the fifth app I would recommend is Mobile Expression, sorry. Um, so this one here is similar again to Smart Panel actually. So this one sits on your phone and collects data again. But once again, like Smart Panel, it's really safe, and they go into a full section here, both in frequently asked questions and privacy and license on how your data is handled. So basically, yeah, the app's been designed to conduct market research, designed to understand the trends and behaviors of people using mobile internet. Sorry. Um, so basically, yeah, this one is more on how you use the net on your phone. They want to kind of collect information on browsing data, on mobile as opposed to browsing on your computer, which can have there can be differences in both of those. Are the most popular sites on the internet also the most popular sites on the mobile internet? So where are people surfing to, and what mobile applications are they using? Sorry, these are the kind of questions that this app answers for researchers. So yeah, this they do pay out, and it's not a lot, but they do guarantee rewards for your participation, and they can be redeemed for gift cards. Um, that may also be exchanged for cash. So yeah, another great app. So this one, you kind of do have to be using your phone actively, but hey, if you're doing that anyway and just browsing the internet, why not make some money from it? So yeah, that's it for today. Those are 5 apps that I recommend you use. And yeah, I hope you found this video useful. Give it a like if you have, and please subscribe. And I look forward to the next one. Thanks.